Hello dear students, I am Abhinav Negi. Welcome you all in your own platform, that is Resultant. So guys, GATE is an examination and actually by cracking it, multiple opportunities, multiple gates are opened. And unfortunately, if I ask any student guys that what are the advantages of GATE or what are the benefits of the GATE or what are the things there where you can apply with the GATE score or GATE rank, then usually I get only two answers: M.Tech from IIT, ISC or NIT, or PSU. Some students might be telling BARC also. But guys, by cracking the GATE exam, not only these three gates, M.Tech, PSU and BARC, but there are multiple gates which is not known by most of the candidates. That is why in few of these gates that I'll be telling you, few of these opportunities, even sometimes with the general category also with a rank of 1000 or with OBC with a rank of 1500 is selected, because most of the students are unaware about this. Okay, so yes guys, there are a huge amount of opportunities in M.Tech, PSUs and BARC, but there are some other opportunities as well that we will be seeing in this session. Guys, if you are preparing for HPCL, guys, we are having the test series. You can take this of 399. There will be two test series. One is made by Resultant faculty and one is made by our subject matter experts and the toppers of the last year. You will be getting these two test series with this and also the complete formula notes of civil engineering. Of course, the GATE and ESC courses are there in English and Hindi both. So live plus recorded classes will be there, study notes will be there, PYQ, question bank, doubt session, test series, everything will be there. And when I'm saying question bank, that includes MCQ, MSQ, NAT, everything will be there. Okay, so you can take those courses as well. You can connect me in this number, guys. Okay, so guys, the first gate, everyone guys ready? Everyone, tell me on the comment box fast. Tell me please. Everyone ready? Okay. Now guys, what are the gates? One is, M.Tech you all know from IITs, NITs, IC, PSUs. There are various PSUs which are recruited through GATE, ONGC through GATE, NTPC through GATE, IOCL through GATE, NHPC through GATE, TSDC through GATE, CIL through GATE, SAIL through GATE. There are other PSUs which take their own exam. HPCL and BHEL, they are not through GATE, they are taking their own exam. It is always good guys that most of the PSUs are through GATE and some takes their own exam. It is always favorable student, especially for a talented and a hard working student, because sometimes what happen, if all PSUs are through GATE then might be if your GATE exam doesn't go well, might be due to health condition or any other circumstances, then guys you have to wait complete one more year for enrolling in the PSU, because if this is the case, if all PSUs are in GATE, but if most of the PSUs are through GATE, it's good, so that you don't have to give exam every time, you don't have to fill the form every time, otherwise almost out of 365 days, 65 days will go in this. Okay, so it is always favorable that most of the PSUs are through the GATE exam, and you are not only depending on one exam, because it may be some health issue there or any other circumstances, so you don't get a good rank in GATE. So there are some other exams like HPCL and BHEL who take their own exam. So that means if you have a real potential guys, any of the exam you will be must cracking, either GATE, either HPCL, either BHEL. Apart from that guys, L&T I am putting a star mark. What happened that in 2021 to 2023 L&T is recruiting through GATE exam. Okay, so some of you might be saying, sir, L&T is only going into IITs or NITs or that college, it is not coming to my college. Okay, so L&T is not coming to your college, then you can go to L&T via the GATE exam. Across the India, 250 engineers, every time it is recruiting through the GATE in the 2021, 22, 23 period. This time what happens, in 2024, L&T is also taking its own exam, national level exam. Okay, so what it will be coming next year, they will be comparing both the process, both the procedures, their spendings, and how much accessories they have to devote and where the selection is good. Might be next year they is coming through GATE. Okay, So L&T is always option. Either it is taking its own exam. Again guys, the technical knowledge will be helping there as well. Okay, if it is coming through its own exam, in that case also guys, the technical knowledge will be helping you there. Okay, everyone give me yes or no guys, come on yaar. Like and share the session so that maximum students can watch it. Okay, now moving further, let me see your comments as well. Okay, now guys, another option is MS from foreign universities. Guys, there are some universities, especially in Singapore and Germany. Singapore and Germany. And these universities in Singapore and Germany, like National University of Munich, Nanyang Technical University, these are not any random universities of the world. These are the universities where the global ranking is less than 70. Okay, and most of these universities are having a better rank than IIT also. So there they are recruiting through GATE score. And what is the benefit now? If you got 200 rank, 300 rank, 400 rank, you will be selected in PSU. Okay, but here guys, in around 1200 rank also na, 1200 all India rank in general category, you are 1500 rank in OBC or 1900 rank in SC ST, you are selected in these universities through the GATE score. Why? Because most of the students are unaware, or some of the students don't want to go there. And guys, they provide scholarship also. Even after scholarship guys, to be very frank with you, even after the scholarship you have to spend a little amount, okay, which will be more than you are spending in IITs and NITs. But yes guys, the degree will be better there. Okay, and degree will be better. I am not discouraging the IITs guys. I have done my M.Tech from IIT Delhi only. I am not discouraging it. But what is the reality now? As a teacher, I have to show you the reality as well, that in India, any BTech engineer or M.Tech engineer na, is very exam ready and he has a very good knowledge of theory. Okay, his theoretical knowledge is very good. But if you ask any civil engineer, when I was also in my BTech, if you ask me, I am providing all the materials, I am providing all the labors, can you make a building? Can you make a two-story building? No, I cannot make. Even like leave BTech, even after M.Tech, if somebody tells me that this is the 200 manpower you have, this is the concrete, 2000 tons, this is the steel, 10,000 tons, can you make a room, can you make a building? No, I cannot make. Okay, so practical knowledge is less, but from these universities guys, you will be field ready. Okay, you will be not theory ready or book ready, you will be field ready. So more demand will be there in industries after doing MS from foreign. Now guys, like after your 12th na, you are having a BTech plus M.Tech dual degree. Similarly guys, after your BTech, there is an option that in few IITs that you can go M.Tech plus PhD dual degree. Like after 12th, it is BTech plus M.Tech dual degree. In normal course guys, if you are doing M.Tech, it will take 2 years. In IIT Kanpur, because the last semester is project and you have to pass your thesis, this Viva. Okay, in IIT Kanpur, 2.5 years also take. In our class also in IIT Delhi, one of the students' project was rejected by the external member. And again 6 months he took to make a new project and then he was selected. So in some IITs, especially IIT Kanpur and IC Bangalore, it may take 2.25 or 2.5 years as well. And PhD, it will take around 4 to 6 years. If you do M.Tech alone, if you do PhD alone. Now if you do go for a combination na, if you are very sure that after M.Tech you have to do PhD, so it's better go for a dual degree. And here if you go for the combination na, then it will be completed in 5 to 5.5 years. So that will save around 2 or 1.5 years of yours. Okay, so that is also a combination. Now moving forward guys, there are DDA, Delhi Development Authority, BIS, sometimes it takes its own exam, sometimes through GATE. Okay, Bureau of Indian Standard recruits the scientist, where the scale is the class 1 officer. So it recruits through GATE exam, sometimes it takes its own exam. Okay, CBRR, CRR is same like BARC. Like BARC you go as a scientist na. Here Central Building Research Institute, its head office in Roorkee. Central Road Research Institute, its head office in Delhi, Mathura Road. So here also they absorb you as a scientist. First they will go through a M.Tech degree for 2 years, it will be academic program, same like BARC, and later on the scientist will be absorbed. But this is not like every year it will not be coming. Might be after 3 years it is coming. BIS might be every year it is coming with not huge vacancies, but it almost occurs annually. Okay. Okay, guys. So these are the options. Now, apart from that, guys, there are some state SDOs. Especially, guys, let me tell you, Haryana, okay, Odisha, Punjab, okay, the assistant engineer in few departments are not recruiting through PSC. No, they are recruiting from gate score. They are recruiting from gate score. Haryana, Odisha, Punjab, and it may be happening in other states as well, because the gate score, the gate rank is very transparent. The exam is almost error free. If I compare any other state level exam, then the percentage of error in gate is almost negligible. So it is a better exam to judge the students. Also, guys, with some other rank you can take engineers, so the whole process of making the paper, invalidating, allotting the center has been reduced. So some states, not all departments, I am not saying that Haryana PSC is now eliminated, I am not saying Odisha PSC is eliminated, I am not saying Punjab PSC is eliminated. In these PSC there are various departments. Most of the departments they are recruiting from the PSC only, but in few departments the assistant engineer post is recruiting through gate in last many years. Haryana, Punjab, this is happening in last 7 to 8 years. Odisha, it is happening in I guess 3 months back the notification came. Okay. Now, apart from this, guys, DRDO again, Defense Research Development Organization. Okay, here the scientists are recruiting through gate score. Usually, guys, to be very frank with you, civil engineering posts are not much there, but electronics and other branches are having comparatively higher post. Okay, so DRDO also you can go through gate exam. NITI Bombay, although in last year the selection process is little changed here as well. Okay, this is give NITI Bombay na, this give you post graduation diploma in management, and selection process is like out of 100 marks na, 10th marks they will take some percentage, 12th marks they take some percentage, B.Tech they take some percentage, gate marks they also take some percentage. Okay, and here the average package, it will be more like a managerial job. You are managing the technical things. And average package of NITI Bombay is almost equal to the average package of IIM. So if you are very sure that you will be going in industry, you are not very keen to be in the core area, no I will be geotechnical engineer, no I will be transportation engineer. If you are not very keen to it, if you are not very keen with it, and you are very sure that you don't want to prepare, you don't want to go for government job, anyhow you will be going for a private job, then NITI Bombay will be the best option for you. And after this, guys, Delhi Metro, again guys, Delhi Metro is not recruiting the post of assistant engineer. The name of the post there is assistant manager. So not on annual basis, but yes, they are also recruiting on the basis of gate score. So these are all gates which will be opened by just cracking one exam. Guys, I often say one thing, that gate exam will be giving you career, but a career will not be obtained by only gate exam. There are other exams as well which are almost giving equivalent position or sometimes better. Like BARC is through gate exam, but BARC you can go with its own exam also for the same post. HPCL taking its own exam, BHEL is taking its own exam. So yes, but if you consider only one exam from where the multiple doors will be open, that will be gate. From other exams, but just cracking HPCL, only HPCL door will open. Cracking BHEL, BHEL door will open. Cracking engineering services, the department through engineering services will only open. But cracking it, this is that kind of examination where rank is valid in most of other exams as well. Okay. So guys, you can follow us on Instagram, you can follow us on Facebook as well. You can download the Resultant Civil and Resultant Mechanical app from the Play Store if you have not downloaded till now. And now guys, the huge offer for you. Guys, the 55% off on all our courses. 55% off on all our courses if you enroll any time from 14th to 16th August. Either you are enrolling in GATE, ESC or any course. And guys, you have to apply a coupon code. that is that our team will be telling you. Acha, use code India 55. You can apply the code India 55 on all our courses. On all our courses, you will be getting 55% flat off. Okay, this is valid from 14th to 16th August. Okay. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. Thank you all. Wish you all the best for your exams. Resultant team is always with you guys. Thank you. Take care.